So there's lots of excitement around our new project, Bluemix, which is our platform as a service to support building new applications through composable building blocks, composable services. Why is this so exciting? Because it's real. It is a way to rapidly develop applications that hasn't really been available before. It takes away all of the infrastructure from you and the middleware setup as well. So Bluemix, based on the open source Cloud Foundry platform as a service, provides all the building blocks that you need to build these applications. So what that means is there's the platform as a service, which is going to control the run times and set all the things up and bind you to the services that you select, and is going to ensure that you have the number of instances that you request, that you can scale up, you can scale down. It takes care of the health of all of it. And then you, as a developer, can focus on building applications. And then it goes further and gives you a set of services. So services like databases, like messaging, like email, like business rules, Internet of Things, analytics, processing, time series, big data, mobile building blocks like push notifications. So there's this whole collection of services from IBM, from third parties, and open source. All here together, it's an ecosystem of services. So now when I go to build an application, and I say, all right, I'm going to start with some analytics data, and I'm going to go get it here and use a connector service, and I'm going to put it into a NoSQL database like CloudInt, and I'm going to take an analytics component that's going to go against that data, and now I'm going to take a visualization component and a service and use that. And now I think I want to make it mobile, and so I'll do some Java, some JavaScript. And now I want to add push notification because I've done this analytics and there's something interesting that has occurred. When I add the push notification, there's a push notification service. I don't have to go set up all this infrastructure to be able to do this push. So you can compose it rapidly through the services. The other thing that changes is the business model. So I've gone, my infrastructure, middleware is all set up. I have the composable services. I'm consuming it on a public cloud, and I am paying for what I use. So what this means is I want to do something quick and at a low cost, a low entry point cost. We have a free trial version. We're going to have a free tier for usage and for the services so that you can experiment. And then as you grow it, you've architected it for cloud architecture, and it really is as simple as requesting new instances and changing your service level plan so that now I started with, like a little bit of database, and now I get more database capacity, and now it's grown up, and now I want replication and backup. So you're consuming it based on a plan that you select, and you pay for what you use. So this is really revolutionary in terms of the ability to build these innovative apps at all these levels, in terms of the infrastructure and platform, in terms of the services, and in terms of the business model.